In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create nested pages in Confluence. If you want your space to feel organized and easy to navigate, nesting pages is the simplest, most reliable way to build a clear hierarchy. First, head to Confluence and open the space where you want to work. In the left sidebar, go to the Content view so you can see the page tree. This tree shows your structure at a glance, with parent pages on top and child, or nested, pages indented underneath. It's helpful to think of the tree as your table of contents. Next, choose the page that should act as the parent. Hover over it in the tree to reveal the plus icon, then click the plus. That icon is your shortcut to creating a child page directly under the selected parent, so you don't have to reorganize anything later. From the menu, select Page. Give your new page a clear, specific title, something that communicates purpose and makes it easy to find later. Add your content and use consistent headings so related child pages read the same way. When you return to the tree, you'll see your new page nested neatly under its parent. If you're building a section, repeat this process to add as many child pages as you need. A quick tip: prefix titles with a short code or number if order matters, like R01 Overview, 02 Setup, so your structure stays predictable. You're not limited to standard pages. From that same plus icon, you can nest other powerful content types. Choose Database to store structured information, great for tracking projects, assets, or requests right within your hierarchy. Pick Live Doc when you want a flexible, collaborative document that multiple people can work on simultaneously while keeping it tied to the parent topic. Use Whiteboard for visual collaboration, mapping ideas, flows, and plans in a canvas that lives under the right section. Select Smart Link to add a rich, connected link to an external resource or another Confluence item, keeping context where your team expects it. And if you need to group related items without creating a content-heavy page, add a folder. Folders help you cluster multiple child items so the tree stays tidy as your space grows. As you build, keep names concise, group related work under the same parent, and avoid duplicating topics across branches. The page tree will mirror your hierarchy instantly, making it easy for teammates to browse from high-level overviews down to the details. That's all there is to creating nested pages in Confluence: simple, consistent, and built to scale with your team.